Hey guys, Will here, and today we're going to be taking a look at what could quite possibly be the best budget YouTuber microphone. This is the Fifine K669 microphone, and while they did send me this for review, they haven't paid me to gas it up or anything, so what you're going to be hearing is my complete 100% honest opinion. Gassing up products for money is not what BubVisuals is about. Okay, so in the box you'll get the microphone, a mount, a tripod stand, and some documentation. Pretty sparse here, but this is all ready to record, so you don't really need to faff around with complicated cables. Now in this video, I'm not going to go too into specs, as for this price bracket, I don't really think it matters, so we're going to focus more on the actual performance of this microphone rather than detailed specs. In fact, the only really important specs that I need to mention with this microphone is that it's both large diaphragm and cardioid, which means this microphone picks up best from the front. In terms of build quality, it's not actually too bad for just under $30. The microphone itself is made almost entirely from metal, although it does feel a little bit flimsy, and the mount is made of plastic. However, a feature that I absolutely love in this $30 microphone is the volume wheel. This is super handy, especially when using apps like Discord, where you can use the wheel to quickly make adjustments. Now, there is one thing that I really don't like about the build quality of this microphone, and it may be petty, but it is still a valid criticism. The cable on this microphone is non-removable. Now, this does mean that the jack is a lot less likely to get broken, as USB microphone ports do have a nasty habit of falling out, but in terms of extending the cord or replacing it if this one breaks, you're pretty much stuffed. If you are just getting an on-desk microphone and it's staying on your desk, then this microphone should be absolutely fine. Speaking of the cable, this microphone can be connected to both Windows and Mac simply by plugging in the USB cable and selecting it as the main microphone you want to use. After that, I would recommend testing it, and you can do this by speaking into it as you plan to use it, then adjusting the levels accordingly. In terms of an audio test, well, you're actually listening to it right now. That's right, I decided to go ahead and record this entire review with this $30 microphone instead of this big professional one that I usually use. I recorded the entire review with this $30 microphone. To get the best result, as it is a cardioid microphone, I'd recommend sitting no more than 20 centimeters away and always talk into the front. I see so many people talking into the top or the back. Talk into the front, otherwise it just won't pick it up properly. To make your quality even that little bit better, I'd recommend picking up a windsock, as they really do help cut out your P's and B's. Stay on my P's and my Q's, yes. I also did a little bit of post-processing on this audio clip just to make it sound that little bit better, and I will be doing a tutorial on that soon, so if you don't want to miss that, be sure to subscribe with notifications on. Next, I think we should probably run some real-world tests, the first being how the microphone handles keyboard sounds when I'm talking, as this is pretty important for tasks such as streaming. Okay, so it's time for the first test. I have the microphone here, I have my camera here, and I have my keyboard here, and we're essentially just gonna type some keys and see how well the microphone filters the keys out from my voice. Pretty good. Now let's test how this microphone reacts to background noise. So I'm gonna have some sound coming out of my speakers. Let's face it, it's probably gonna be some royalty-free CSGO audio, because I don't have any games installed at the moment. We're going to play this while I'm talking just to see how much of this noise it blocks out. Okay, so there are plenty of CSGO sounds playing through my speakers right now, and I'm just talking into the microphone, seeing how well it filters my voice from the sounds. Hopefully it's doing pretty good. I got the microphone pointing towards me and I got the speakers firing into the back, so it should effectively filter out most of it, but I'm hoping that it filters out almost all of it. Overall, there's not really that much I can say. It's a great budget microphone for starting out on YouTube or even just upgrading your quality. I'll leave a purchase link below, and I honestly wish that this was available when I was starting out on YouTube, so I didn't waste my money on this. Hopefully I can find a picture. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 3K by the end of the year, so every little helps. I'm done for now, and I'll see you guys on Monday.
So I'm over you. I know what I'm supposed to do. You can't get me out my zone. Looking where I'm holding you. Stories you told all your friends ain't even remotely true. There's no point me knowing you, but I'm only human, bitch. I'm closing you. You change your mind more than the time.